Hi, Rob here, and here's a demonstration of Forum Renegade. This software is a perfect tool for capitalizing on forum marketing. The software takes a seed keyword phrase and finds related forums. You have a choice of whether to return 10 to 100 forums in whatever niche you operate. How can you use this software? It was developed primarily with forum marketing in mind, where you interact with people in your niche and build a rapport. The more value that you provide offering solutions to people's problems results in you establishing yourself as an expert or an authority. This is not a spamming tool, but a means for you to provide value and profit from forum marketing. Operation is simple. You have a choice to select from 10 to 100 forums. I'm going to stick with 10. I'm going to put a niche keyword phrase in. I'm going to use Twitter software. Okay, so I click search and the software goes out to find forums related to Twitter software, and it's picked up 8 for us here. We could have found a lot more, but I'm going to stick with the 8. So the next thing to do is to move on to the Explore Threads tab. Now in here again, we could put a keyword phrase related to the Twitter software query that I initially put in, or we could put the same keyword phrase in again. I'm going to do that because I'm specifically interested in that. So now you'll see that this box here has automatically been populated with forums that have been found on the net. I'm going to go with the Warrior Forum. So I click the search button. And this is searching for posts within the last 24 hours. You have a choice to do it by 24 hours, weekly or monthly. I want the most current data, so I'm going to stick with the 24-hour search. Okay, so the first thing it does, goes onto the Warrior Forum and it finds a guy here who is talking about making a Twitter bot. That's quite interesting. It's the same kind of area that I'm into, so what I can do now is I could either participate in a discussion on this thread if I wanted to, or I could maybe use this information for research, and to do that all I have to do is click the grab button and that'll take all of the text on that page. That will also output that to a text file in the programs directory, so you can refer to that information later. So okay, so I found my first one. I'm going to go on to my next thread now. And again, it's somebody else talking about Twitter software related to the query that I was interested in. A lot of interaction going on here. I could dive into this thread and respond to that, and also benefit from having a signature link, so I can drive traffic to my site that way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that content, and as you can see, there's the results of the first post. It's got all that text there for me to go through later and to see if there's anything relevant that I can use. And now it's gone on to the next post. It's put a space in here, and it's put the contents of that thread in there too. So let's go on to the next one. More Twitter software, this time to do with ClickBank. Quite an active thread there, a lot of discussion going on. As I'm an authority in this area, I could provide some value on that thread. I'll do the same thing again. I'll grab the content on that thread. Can you see how easy it is to gather information that we can use later if we're researching? So this software really has dual purpose. You can either use it for building a relationship on forums and profiting from marketing with your signature link, or alternatively you can use it as a tool for researching. Say this information, for example, I could compile into an ebook, or it could just be giving me ideas for a new product to make. All in all, this is a very useful tool, and I think you'll get a lot of value from it. Thanks for watching.